Hi, welcome to the Elf's Kitchen. We call it the Elf's Kitchen because my middle name is Elvin, and it was also my flying call sign when I was an Army pilot a long time ago. But we are calling it the Elf Kitchen, and we're happy that you're here. We're going to be doing a lot of things here in this kitchen and out on our patio with our barbecue and grill. So stay tuned because we're going to be cooking on the stove, we'll be cooking in the oven, we'll be cooking sous vide, and we'll be both cold and hot smoking as well as grilling on the barbecue outside. In addition, we're going to do a lot of reviews on various different items that you'll find or can use in your kitchen, and you might be thinking about buying, and we have some pretty good ideas on what might really work well and some things that don't. You'll follow along as we cook various different dishes, and we will also broadcast when we have failures. We won't hide it from you. In the meantime, thank you for coming and visiting us. Please subscribe if you like what you see, and put a like if you will, and you can also hit that little bell thing up there that will allow you to get a notification whenever we post new video. Trying for 2 a week, 1 review, 1 dish, or whatever we're going to cook that week. Thanks for coming. We look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.